In with Ruchi Jain. Welcome to my channel Learn German A to Z. In this video, we are going to learn punctuation marks in German language. You must be wondering what kind of topic I have taken. Actually, everyday learning grammar can be boring. So I thought just for a change, we should learn something new, something interesting. Maybe out of curiosity, we may want to know what are the punctuation marks in German and how it is different from English language. So are you ready? Before going further, I would like to tell you, please, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do consider to subscribe it. And don't forget to ring the bell. Okay, so are you ready? Here on the screen, you can see some of the punctuation names like comma, Punkt, Fragezeichen. So let's go ahead. Let's learn this interesting topic. Our first punctuation mark is period or full stop or dot. We know it with many names. In German, we call it der Punkt. As you already know that all the German nouns are having an article. It's masculine and that is why it is der Punkt. We call it der Punkt, and there you can see the sign. Let's go ahead. Second is comma, quite frequently used. In German we call it das Komma, das Komma, and the sign is same as English. Let's go ahead. Next punctuation mark, here we have taken semicolon. In German we call it das Semikolon. Das semicolon, and the sign is same. Next one is colon. In German we call it der Doppelpunkt. Der Doppelpunkt. Why? Because there are two Punkt. That is why we call it der Doppel, that is double, Doppelpunkt. Let's go ahead. Next one is long dash. As the name suggests, der Gedankenstrich. Der Gedankenstrich. Here you can see the sign. Next one is question mark. And in German we call it das Fragezeichen. Das Fragezeichen. The sign is same. Next one is exclamation mark. It is called in German das Ausrufezeichen. Das Ausrufezeichen. And the sign is same as in English. Let's go ahead. The next one is brackets. Die eckige Klammern. Die eckige Klammern. Klammern brackets. Die eckige Klammer. Here you can see the sign. The next one is parenthesis. It is called in German die runde Klammern. Die runde Klammern. As you can see, these brackets are round, a bit round. That is why runde Klammern. Next one is dash. In German we call it der Ergänzungsstrich. Der Ergänzungsstrich. hyphen. In German we call it der Bindestrich. Der Bindestrich. Next is apostrophe. In German we call it der Apostrophe. Der Apostrophe. Quite similar to English, so easy to remember. Next one is ellipsis dots. In German it has two words. Die Auslassungspunkt or die Fortführungspunkte. Die Auslassungspunkte, die Fortführungspunkte. You can break the word and speak correct. So these three dots, they are called die Auslassungspunkte oder die Fortführungspunkte. Let's go ahead. Quotation marks. Quotation marks. Die Anführungszeichen. Die Anführungszeichen. Here you can see in the symbol, there are two ways to show the same thing. Die Anführungszeichen. That is called quotation marks. Let's go ahead. Next is slash. That we call in German der Schrägstrich. Der Schrägstrich. That is a slash in English. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Most of these punctuation marks are quite similar to English, but some are little bit different to pronounce. And the uses are also a little bit different than English. Thank you very much. Danke. And thank you once again for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you must have learned something new. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe it. I'm waiting for your comments and wait for my next interesting video quite soon. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen. Have a nice day.